In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the App Store on your iPhone. Logging out can be necessary for a variety of reasons, whether you're sharing your device with someone else, troubleshooting an issue, or simply need to access a different account. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that it's easy to follow and understand. So let's dive right in. First, we need to start by accessing your iPhone's Settings app. You'll find it on your home screen. It's the icon that looks like a gear. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Once inside the settings menu, you should locate your Apple ID information. This is generally found at the very top of the screen where it displays your name and possibly your profile picture. Tap on your name to proceed to your account settings. As we delve deeper into your account details, the next step is where we aim to log out. Start scrolling through this menu until you see the option that says Sign Out. It's important to note that this will sign you out of your Apple ID in various places, not just the App Store. So be sure this is indeed what you want to do before proceeding. Tap on Sign Out when you locate it to move forward. Moving on, the device will require your Apple ID password. This is a security measure to ensure your account is protected, especially when features like Find My iPhone are active. Input your password into the appropriate field and hit Turn Off to disable Find My iPhone. This step ensures that your device isn't left vulnerable in the case of misplacement and losing connectivity with your account. Now that we've disabled the appropriate security measures, the next step is to confirm that you do want to sign out. The device will prompt you for this confirmation. Tap on Sign Out once more to verify your decision. Finally, you'll see an option asking about the data stored on your iPhone. You can choose to keep certain things like contacts or calendars on your device even when signing out. Make sure to check or uncheck these options based on your preference and tap Sign Out again. And there you have it. We've successfully walked through how to log out of the App Store on your iPhone. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to be cautious and understand each step, especially when it involves personal data and security settings. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to reach out in the comments if you have questions or need further assistance. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy.